Hi, this is Michael Drob for EasyPrompter, and I'm going to talk about remote control. EasyPrompter Pro has the unique ability to allow you to use a smartphone or other internet-connected device to control the prompter. There's nothing to install, but if you'd like to make the process faster, you can install an app that can read QR codes on your phone. To start, go into Prompter View. Click on Settings, and click the Remote button on the bottom. You'll see a unique QR code in this window. At this point, you can either scan the code with your phone or enter the link under the code on your device. In a few seconds, this remote will appear on your phone. The operation is fairly simple. You have standard controls for play, pause, fast forward, rewind, as well as the ability to change speed and jump between markers. Here on the left, you see a menu which will let you select a different script or search for scripts. Clicking on the remote buttons will work exactly the same as clicking on those same buttons in the prompter itself, and will give you the ability to operate your prompter from any distance, as long as you have an internet connection. Whether across the room or across the country, EasyPrompter is always accessible.